Remember, everyone, life is work, work is fun, let's get living.
Hey guys, it's 12:42. Daddy is still back there in bed. So I'm stopped to get fuel at the Loves. I'm on my way to pick up in Mississippi. And then we're going to Indiana. Oh, and here's the puppy. We're stopped, so naturally they have to go out. Alright guys, sorry about that interruption. Grace went and found herself an anthill. And she was jumping like something was wrong. Apparently, they were biting ants. So I had to rub her down, make sure that she didn't have any more on her, and then we went that direction to use the potty. So I said I got my trusty broom here, and yes, my license for it is still valid. I'm gonna clean out this trailer, and then we're gonna go get a load of big fat rolls of paper. We'll see you guys later. All right, guys, so we got fuel. We swept out the trailer. Here's my co-driver over here, Miss Grace. Can they see you? Huh? Can you see you? Tell them you've been de-anted. Yes, we got the ants off. They were little biting ants and we did not enjoy them. But you're okay. Yeah, you're okay. You're a good girl. Well, Mom's a good dog too.
Paper mills. Some of the worst places in the world are paper mills. But we're here, and the girl got us here. Never know that he's a killer. Never know. God, what a ham. Where are we?
We're in Mount Vernon.
We going home?
Yes.
You gonna watch my back?
If you're lucky. I might ought to wash mine first.
You wash yours first. You just hurry up, because we're going back to work. I ain't gonna lollygag.
We'll do what we say I'm gonna do.
Thank you for getting me that picture of that truck. Next time, get the whole damn truck in the frame.
It looked good to me. I was informed that I was a girl and I didn't get a good enough picture of it, so it is true, I'm a girl.
She got a picture of the hood and two wheels.
Yeah, it's a truck.
That's not a truck. That's a work of art.
You can insert the picture here and we can leave it up to public opinion if it's a good enough picture.
I will. I'll put it in this video right here. It was a work of art.
The picture or the truck?
The truck. It wasn't finished either. But it was smoking hot. That truck.
You know what went by me on the road earlier today?
What?
Those mover trucks.
Those mover
United
trucks?
Van Lines.
Yeah.
But there was about 6 of them, and every one of them had the big cab, and they were all running together.
They're moving the Kardashians.
There was enough of them they could have been.
They're taking them back to Iran.
Well, I don't know that they can drive on the ocean, but...
They're special.
Oh, they got special floaty tires?
That's right.
Okay.
They went back to the 24s. Tall rubber. I'm still tired.
Well, I don't think you slept that much. You want to go get something to eat with me?
Turn that damn thing off and let's go eat.
Oh my goodness. I can't take him anywhere. Look at this nice ride, guys. A Peterbilt. Daddy's asleep right now, so he doesn't get to see this one. Very pretty.
Can I come over there and sit with you right there?
What's in it for me?
I'll let you touch my leg.
How about feeding me some food?
Alright.
Okay.
If I let you do it, you'll knock the camera over and everything.
Maybe.
You would.
Probably.
Did y'all see that truck? Wasn't it nice? It was smoking hot. It was like a Cuban girl in stilettos.
I have no idea how we got together because he prefers brown girls.
I prefer you, or I'd be with you.
And short ones at that. So I just have no idea how we ended up even together.
I don't know. But it did, didn't it? It was just like la 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 la.
It had a Harley Davidson symbol on it. You should do some Harley music.
I'll put some Harley music to this video. Or I'll put some rock music to it, alright? I got another rock song last night. I think it'll work.
I don't know what he does while I'm asleep.
I listen to YouTube.
Sure.
I do.
And watch twerking. I heard what you say.
Only Sasha's Texas.
Oh, you just watch one person twerk, not all of the twerking, right?
She's got too much twerking going on there. Something's gonna break one of these days. It's like a train wreck. You just can't turn your head.
Mm-hmm.
What are you making funny faces for?
Mm-hmm.
Have you had a good morning?
It's not been bad.
Good.
You notice this TA has stained glass something above their buffet there? Or salad bar, whatever you call it.
It's the TA Cathedral.
Is it fancy ones? Or fancy pants?
No, there's more lot lizards here.
That's the truth.
They don't work with TA. They work across the road. Okay, guys, look, if you come over here to Mount Vernon, Illinois, avoid the lot across the road because it's like huge.
It used to be a Hux. What is it now?
It's Flying J now.
Yeah, Flying J.
The parking lot's huge. And with the new hours of service, and I mean the new ELDs, you can't find no parking there anyway. Just go to somewhere, some business around here and back into their dock. That's the best thing to do. I won't be backing into the dock here. I'll just go home. So you can have the dock.
And they're running people off at the Walmart over here now too.
No one goes to the Walmart. That's a total lie on Facebook. There's nobody parks at that Walmart. You can't get your truck in it. They got bars up. So if you do come over here, watch out for the lot lizards. If you like your truck, they're going to beat the paint off the door. They will. I don't even know if I call them lot lizards. They're like country lot lizards.
wrong with us country folk?
What's a country lot lizard?
What's wrong with us country folk?
A skink?
I don't know.
What kind
A
of
polecat?
What kind of lizards do we
You know
have
what a polecat
at the
is?
house? They're skinks.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm not privy to such fancy words.
What, that lizard that fell in my mouth? What? That was a gray lizard.
You know, no one else has stories about lizards falling down into their mouths besides you. Did you tell them about your lizard?
There's no proof. The camera was broke. I done tripped over the camera and stepped on the GoPro.
He dropped an entire piece of, was it drywall, over on the GoPro and the stand. Broke
No,
the
that
leg off
was
of
the
the
second
stand.
time when I was building the chicken coops when I got lizardized. And I stepped on the tripod and knocked it over. And the piece of wood I had, I was holding it up in the air, and there was a lizard on it, and it fell off of the pole into my mouth.
Why was your mouth open?
My mouth's always open. It hangs open. I don't know why.
Oh. I bet that poor lizard was traumatized. You're lucky you didn't get, what do you get from lizards? Salmonella?
Probably.
Salmonella?
Yeah.
Isn't that it?
Turtles have salmonella. Boogers have salmonella too.
You know, the stories
Don't
of
eat your
stuff
booger.
that's been in your mouth, I don't know that I want to kiss you. Lizards, you eat dog treats, I'm starting to get some serious reservations.
I brush every day.
And I don't know what you stick it back in there every day either.
Well, I'm out here. There's not any lizards out here except for the working kind.
I don't know what you do
I'm not sticking
while
that in my mouth.
sleeping.
You're terrible.
Me?
Yes.
I mean, yes, I am.
All right.
I'm having fish for breakfast.
Well, I'm not. I'm having breakfast for breakfast. I would have had the fish.
Your eye is red again. That eye is red a lot when you wake
Did
up.
you poke me in the eye again? Which one? This one here?
Yeah.
I wonder if it's going to fall out one day.
I don't know, but that's the one that when you wake up, it's red a lot, and it's red again today.
It feels itchy or something. It hurts.
It's red. The other one's okay, but that one's red.
If they have to remove it, can I get like a totally black eye or a solid blue orb or red or something?
I think you should get several of them and change them out.
That would be cool. I mean, I have to make it.
Can you get a glow-in-the-dark one, too?
That would be neat. If I ever lose a leg or
Or
something,
maybe you
I'll
could
get
get one that has like a light that projects out and you can pretend like you're a superhero and turn it off and on.
Why would I be pretending?
Oh, you can have extra superhero with your fake eye and turn it off and on.
I would have just gained a new power. How am I going to turn it off and on? The power of thought?
No, actually, have you seen people with prosthetics? They control them by the
Muscle
twitching and
movement.
stuff in their arm.
Yeah.
So I would think they would be able to do something. Or you could just have a remote. Whatever.
Oh my God, the coffee's terrible. Oh. We got to get off here. You're boring.
Okay.
Bye. Everyone, hammer down slowly. Be safe. Carry on.